So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Audio. Now once you find it, you're going to double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic. And then click on start, which will now make the service status running. And then click on OK. Now you're going to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Audio service. See if that works for you. For the second method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you're going to click on the speaker icon. And now you're going to click on select sound output. Make sure that you have the correct output device selected. Now you're going to go back. Make sure that this is not muted and that you have this turned up. See if that works. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in SNDVOL. Click on it. Make sure that the application or the web browser that you're trying to use has not been muted and that you have this turned up. For the next method, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run next to audio. And now this will come up, the audio troubleshooter. You're going to scroll down and then click on yes to run the diagnostics. And then you just want to go through all the steps that come up here, and then hopefully this will work for you. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.